Ever noticed how yawning is contagious? Yawning is an involuntary reflex involving a deep inhalation. While commonly associated with tiredness, yawning may cool the brain. Contagious yawning is linked to mirror neurons in our brains. Contagious yawning isn't unique to humans. It's observed in animals like chimpanzees and dogs. Yawning may indicate a shared social function. Seeing someone yawn can trigger the same response in us. This phenomenon highlights our interconnectedness. So next time you catch a yawn from someone else, remember, it's a sign of our shared human experience. Yawning can also signify a need for more oxygen. It can also be a response to boredom or stress. Understanding yawning can help us connect better.